How to invite friends on Viber. Open the Viber application. Tap on the more icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. You'll be led to this kind of interface. Find the option for invite friends and tap on it. Now you'll be able to invite your friends. Tap on the search bar. You can simply search for the contact that you would like to invite. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the matches. You can directly invite them from here. Or you can also tap on this option share Viber that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to share the Viber. You'll be able to see various platforms over here. Tap on the platform of your choice, or you can also tap on the copy option. Now the link will be copied. Now you can simply paste this link in the platform of your choice. For example, I'm going to share it via Messenger. Tap on the chat of your choice. Now send the link in that particular chat. Once you do that, the link will be sent. If they tap on the link, they'll be able to download the Viber. Like this, you'll be able to invite friends on Viber. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.